Hello guys, welcome to Nana's Food World. It's unboxing time, guys. I am unboxing my new cast iron casserole pots. Guys, I love these. Okay, they are beautiful. And 2025, we are going the healthier way. Okay, so guys, get yourself a cast iron pot. It's so beautiful. This is Nova cast iron pot. It is the deep one. Okay, the first one is the deep one. It's about 6.9 liters, guys, about 30 centimeters. And guys, it's oven safe, it's heavy, and it's perfect. I do a lot of cooking large meals. Okay, so as you can see here, I wanted a very big one and I got it. Yes, it's perfect. You can use it in the oven. It's non-stick and you will love it. Just look at how beautiful it is. Absolutely perfect. The second one is the shallow one. Okay, I love this one because I've seen a lot of people cooking with us. Oh, I need to buy this. Okay, because I love it. And I tell you, it's perfect, perfect. And guys, this is 4.5 liters. I like big pots. Yes. Is so beautiful. Okay, I have some red cast iron pots already, so I preferred blue this time. And as you can see, it's very beautiful. It's the healthier way of cooking, guys, so get yourself cast iron pots. So guys, if you need one, if you live in the UK, I bought this on TikTok, okay, from Nova. So get yourself one and I tell you, you are going to love it. It is perfect, it's beautiful, and you can use it to do anything. You can use it even to bake some sourdough bread. Yeah, it's a lot of things you can use the cast iron to do. So get yourself one and you are going to love it. Just look at that. Yeah. So tune in for my next recipe, which will be in my favorite pot. Okay, take care and God bless. Bye.